table view with images and button, and given the constraints to button. Now what I am going to do, uh, I'll just beautify this button, okay, so that it would be like looking like a real button. So for that, since we have already set the constraint to button, so we are going to play with the constraints. So align trailing should be like at least let's say give it 20 for now, okay, and same thing with the leading constraints, so make it 20. Now align bottom, we would be wanting maybe 20 again, no, make it 10. Okay, now to hang this at the bottom place, what is required, it requires uh, set a constant height, okay, so that it would be hanging over there, okay.
Hmm.
So I am going to provide that by setting a height. So let's set the height as let's say 60 and check, okay. So is it looking good? No?
Wait,
Yes.
one.
And after
Right.
then, what we will do, Misha, we will set our theme as a blue, okay.
Okay.
Huh? So everything would be like blue, navigation bar, buttons, and all the stuffs.
Can
So
we do blue and green?
blue and green. Okay, maybe later on you can give me a color code and I can do that. Okay.
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 Fine. So for now, let's name it. So name would be like book and book appointments. Okay. Now we'll change the color to blue. The background should be blue color. Why it is not change? Okay. Tint is default. Wait a second.
Changed for me.
Wait a second.
It changed for me.
Okay, so here there is some issue maybe. So background, maybe I'll try to do it system pink color. Okay, so it is changing here. Okay, so it got changed. So some delay was there because of the configuration level issue. Bear with me. Okay. Okay. So we don't want this red color, so we will go back and set it to tint color, which is blue. So this is a nicer one. Okay. Now
Hmm.
we want our foreground color, which is the latest or title, you can say. We want is like a in white colors. Okay. So foreground is, it is already there. Okay. So this is our text. So let change it to attributed. Okay. Let's try with this book appointments. Now we will change this color. Color. Okay, okay, it is gone. Fine.
What color?
Wait
The
a minute.
foreground.
Wait a minute. Let me do first, and then you can do this. You can repeat it. Let me try with this. So foreground color should be coming. Okay, it is coming here. So don't do this attributed, just let it be plain. It is for more advanced modification. Okay, so suppose there is any particular theme or font you want to set. Okay, so you can go here and set the attributed. It means that you want to customize it. Okay, so you can go here and select whatever the font you want.
Okay.
Okay, so here you can select any family and the size you can give, the typeface you can provide, like that. Okay, I'll just close it for now, and we don't, since we don't require it, so we'll set it to plain. Now, uh, okay, so I guess book appointments. What name would you suggest? Any name in your mind?
For what?
Book appointments or booking appointments or
Oh,
book schedules? Any names?
um,
Mm-hmm.
book a session.
Book a session. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now try to increase this font in your site.
Yeah, at the book.
Yeah. Okay. So what name have you suggested?
I did book a session.
Book a session. Book session. Book a session. Okay. Got it. Book a session would be good. Uh, let's uh, let's make it like this would be good.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have selected a particular font from here. Okay. So it is like looking in a very bold manner. So anyway, it is looking good. Okay. So now we'll just run it and let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens. So maybe we have to set our launching main view. It is an initial view controller main interface, right? So okay, let's see how it goes. If you will run this now at your end, it